In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the electrical wires. The first step you want to do is by connecting the red wire to the light to give it a power supply. This red wire connects to the right terminal over here, and make sure that you have it on the 12 volt 20 watt because that's the power of the light and you don't want to like blow a fuse or anything. And then the next wire we're going to connect is the black wire to the light, and that goes into the left terminal here. The last two things that we have to plug in to the apparatus actually connect to the motor over here. So you want to locate the yeah. You want to find the ports in this and connect it to this down here, and they're color coordinated. So the black goes here. Yep. Great. The last step you have to do is connect this to the back over here. And then you'll plug in this 3-prong connector to the outlet that you see on the wall. And then you're ready to do your experiment. That's it.